You need engine data. You need it now, not later. Keep application 2.0.
I know. Good morning, you ball gargling hippies. I'm going. Nobody wants to be on camera with me. I don't blame them. This is a 25, is this, or 24? 24. Not that it matters. I've never changed. This has got a turn signal bulb out. I've never changed it, but so we're going to learn together. Won't that be fun? But it's going to be basically the same thing. Take out the bucket, and there'll be a port in the back that bulb comes in and out. Looking at it, I see the bulb, and it certainly looks the same. It's one of those orange. I'll have a number for you in a second. All right. Well, let's get on it. What are we going to need? How the hell does this come out? There's a 10 there. That's not for this. There's definitely something here. All right. Let me grab a tool. All right. Well, I did what you did, which is go to YouTube University. And this is quite different. There's 3 bra caps instead of 2. And I think I can just loosen this one. I think I can do this with no tools at all. All right, there's bra cap 3, which is only for the turn signal. Oh yeah, I got my hand on it. I know this is a brand new coat. Thank you, coat jockey.
You're welcome.
There we go. So I was able to use 2 fingers on it, twist it, pull it out, and there it is. I'm looking at it. I guess I could show you. I don't know if you can see that, but it just falls out the back. Turn it counterclockwise, and that certainly looks like the same bulb, but the bulb number will be printed on it. Come on, don't drop it, whatever you do. All right, there we go. This certainly looks the same, and these can be looked up. This says upon it, but you can't see, Toshiba, 8 watt, 12 volt. Looks like 7444, and then there's another number.
Top famous or something.
Somebody's got to do it. All right, I took a trip to the store, but that turn signal bulb is a 7444NA. It was hard to read. Took finding a young person with good eyes to read it. I realize you probably can't see, so I'm going to have to get fancy. Ooh, I'm going to get fancy. Watch this. I can detach the camera thing. Anyway, that's that hanging out of the back of the thing, and this bulb is going to go in that socket, and then it's going to twist, and then I'll put the cap back on. Pretty straightforward. That's nice. There's nothing else to show you, so that's the end of this video. But that is, kids, how you change the turn signal bulb in a late model ProMaster. Wasn't that fun? All right, live it up. Bye.